Hey there, this is old JBJ again. Had a short video here. We got some grits. Grits are made from a special corn called dent corn, and we're going to use some stone ground grits. They dry those corn kernels, and then they grind them up, I guess with some big stone or something like that. And they're a lot better than instant grits. People think they take a long time. They don't take that much longer. They take maybe 5-10 minutes, depending on what you put in them and stuff and how hot your water is. But we're going to make up some grits. We got a few ingredients. Getting ready to throw them in there. Just throw something on the pot. Throw something in the pan. Ha! That's the way it goes. First, we have a great baking trick. We keep our bacon in parchment paper in the freezer. That way we can buy a lot of bacon and it lasts a long time. We roll it up in that parchment paper and it lasts a long time. And you take it out and you roll it up in paper towels. We're going to put it in the microwave. Paper towels soak up all that grease. There's that microwave. 2 minutes, 30 seconds, 30 seconds for that frozen. We got some mushrooms, a little bit of butter. Simmer those up. That bacon looks great. Look how crispy it looks. Good stuff right there. Going to have some diced onions. Dice them up. Watch those fingers there. Be careful. Can't go wrong with onion if you like onions. We'll throw that onion in there. A little garlic salt. Garlic salt is good seasoning. A little bit of peppercorns ground up. Some pepper's good. Put those grits in there. That's the one seasoning. One serving of grits. Let it simmer a little bit. It's starting to thicken up and get ready already. We're gonna get ready to throw some more seasoning in there. Season it up a little bit, and then we're gonna get our ingredients, and we're gonna toss those ingredients right on in. Stir it up. They starting to thicken up. That's starting to look real good right now. Making me hungry. Put a little cheese in there. Stir that up. That's good looking stuff. We're gonna put the lid on there in just a second. We're gonna let it simmer up. It's gonna be time to throw it on a plate. Look at that stuff. Ooh, it's gonna stick to your stomach. I like that. Good stuff. I like the way it looks. It looks better in my mouth. Came out real good stuff right there. See that? Looks like number one. Thanks. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Try to have something good for you next time around. Y'all have a good day.